Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Wifi turns off by itself in Windows 11 fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Wi-Fi, click Properties. Change to DHCP. Change to DHCP. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Third method is forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. Fourth method is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open WLAN AutoConfig, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.